Introduction. Children, do you know that few animals like ground squirrels and other rodents undergo hibernation during winter? They do so to beat the cold and food shortage during those days. How the birds beat cold during winter? Birds' feathers provide very good insulation against the cold.
Also, they fluff out their feathers to create air pockets, which give extra insulation in cold climate.
Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain adaptation, discuss climate of polar regions and tropical rainforest regions, describe adaptation of different animals of polar and tropical rainforest regions to the climate. There are countries that are set polar and tropical rainforest region. Polar regions are situated near the North and South Poles. Some countries of this region are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, and Siberia. Some countries where the tropical rainforests are found are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. The polar regions have an extreme climate. The whole region is covered by snow, and almost throughout the year it is cold. Sun does not set at the poles for 6 months, but for the other 6 months there is no sunrise. The temperature can be as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius during this period. Adaptation of polar bear. Fur. Thick fur keeps body warm in frigid air and water. White fur helps for camouflage in ice and snow and reflects the heat lost through the skin back into its body. Big paws. Broad paws spread body weight on ice and helps in swimming. Claws. Curved in shape to dig through ice. Teeth. Jagged suiting carnivorous eating habit. Nostrils. Helps in breathing but are closed when inside water. Small ears and tails. Short in size to minimize heat loss. Fat layers. Helps to keep warm by insulation. Adaptation of penguin. You must have seen the images of penguin. They are white, so merge well with the white background. They also have a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold. Penguins generally huddle together to keep themselves warm. They are good swimmers. Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs to help swimming. Other animals living in polar region are various types of fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, and birds. You might have heard that Siberian birds come to Bilaspur Bird Sanctuary in India every year in winter. Why do they come to India? Because during winter, India has much warmer climate compared to Siberia. They go back to their place when winter is over. The tropical region generally has a hot climate, being closer to equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than 15 degrees Celsius. During summers, temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. Hot and humid climate makes this region rich in tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found in Central America, Western Ghats and Assam in India, Central Africa and Southeast Asia. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region has wide variety of plants and animals. The variety animals like monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects are found in these forests. Let us discuss about adaptation of the animals to a hot, humid climate. Many animals are adapted to living on the trees. Red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. See the monkeys. They have long tails for grasping branches. Their feet and hands are such that they can easily hold onto branches. Toucan's long, large beak that helps it to reach the fruits on the weak branches that can't hold its weight. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color that helps them to blend with the surroundings and protect from predators. Lions and tigers have thick skins and sensitive hearing. Adaptation of elephant. This is an elephant. Another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is the elephant. It has an elongated nose called trunk. Due to this trunk, it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used for picking food. The big teeth are useful in tearing bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Any feature which seems to increase the chances of survival of an organism in its surroundings is called adaptation. The polar region are covered with snow and remain cold during most part of the year. Polar bear and penguins are the animals in polar region which are completely adapted to cold climate. The tropical regions have hot climate. Red-eyed